Today is the 73rd death anniversary of the father of the nation. And this day is being observed as the Martyrs' Day all across the country. We pay homage to Mahatma Gandhi and the other freedom fighters who have led their lives during the freedom struggle. We are now a free country, free nation, and India has now become a big power both militarily and economically. Let's think of that day when the entire country was fighting against the British regime for getting freedom under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji asked the Britishers to quit India. People could not believe that such a big military power of the world, in whose regime sun never sets, will leave India due to this non-violent and peaceful movement of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi had the confidence that a day will come that these Britishers, they must leave India and this will be a free nation. With the call of Mahatma Gandhi, lakhs of people jumped to the fire of freedom struggle, lost their life, did not care for their family, their life, and ultimately we become a free nation. Therefore, the great contribution of Mahatma Gandhi cannot be forgotten. Now, all over the world, wherever any country is fighting for freedom, they are keeping Mahatma Gandhi's motto before them. In Mahatma Gandhi, how he fought. Weapon is non-violence, peace, which the entire world had never thought of. So, we are paying homage to that great man, the father of the nation, and the father of the nation is not only here, throughout the world, he is respected as a great man, a man who will never born in this world. Therefore, on this day, we pay our homage to Gandhiji and all the martyrs who have brought this freedom to us and the free country where we are now living, having a constitution where guarantees have been given to the freedom of speech, freedom of expression, liberty of life, etc. And therefore, we can't forget that great man, and we will always remember this great man, Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. Thank you.